To open a breakout room on Zoom, start by ensuring you are the host of the meeting. As only hosts can create and manage breakout rooms, begin by clicking on the Breakout Rooms button, located at the bottom of the Zoom window. This will open a new window where you can configure the breakout room's settings. In the Breakout Rooms window, choose the number of rooms you want to create and select how you want to assign participants to these rooms. You can either let Zoom automatically assign participants or manually assign them yourself. If you choose to manually assign participants, you will need to select each participant and the room you want to assign them to. Once you have configured the breakout room settings, click on the Create Breakout Rooms button to open the rooms. Participants will then be automatically or manually assigned to their respective rooms, depending on the option you chose. As the host, you can move between rooms to monitor the discussions and provide guidance as needed. To manage the breakout rooms, you can use the Breakout Rooms window to broadcast a message to all rooms, close all rooms, or reopen the rooms. You can also use this window to assign more participants to a room or to move a participant from one room to another. When you are ready to end the breakout sessions, simply click on the Close All Rooms button to bring all participants back to the main meeting room. Best practices for using breakout rooms on Zoom include ensuring that all participants have the latest version of Zoom installed, testing the breakout rooms feature before a meeting to ensure it works as expected, and providing clear instructions to participants on how to use the breakout rooms feature. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use breakout rooms on Zoom to enhance your virtual meetings and improve participant engagement.